Hey, hello everyone. So let's begin by understanding how industries have spread the world. You know, science and technology have completely transformed small town factories into massive industrial centers. These centers don't develop randomly. Do you know why? Because the resources needed for industries like minerals, power, and skilled labor, right? They are not evenly distributed across the world. In fact, they are unevenly distributed. And that is why some countries excel in certain industries while others specializes in different ones. Is that clear? Now, let's talk about the three major industries that dominate the world. First one is iron and steel industry. They are found in countries like Germany, USA, China, Japan and Russia. The second is textile industry. They are concentrated in India, Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan and Taiwan. And third is information technology industry. Silicon Valley in USA and Bangalore in India are global hubs. And each of these industries has unique characteristic and a specific reason where they thrive. Let's dive deeper into two key examples, the iron and steel industry and Detroit automobile industry. So our first example is iron and steel industry. You know, TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. It is located in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and it was established in 1907, and it is one of India's oldest and most important steel plants. Now, the question is, why was Jamshedpur chosen as its location? This is the question. Why Jamshedpur only? Right? So, there are some regions we have to discuss. The first one is raw materials. Right? The first one is raw materials. You know, everything needed for steel production, right? Like iron ore, coal, limestone, right? Manganese is found nearby in Odisha and Jharkhand, and because of that, Jamshedpur was chosen. Right. The second one is power supply. If we talk about if we talk about power supply, so that Jamshedpur has its own thermal power plants and also receives hydroelectric power from Damodar Valley Corporation. So it has its own thermal power plants, no doubt, and it also receives hydropower right from Damodar Valley Corporation. The third one is water supply, and you know that the Subarna Rekha and Kharkai River, they provide abundant water. The next is labor, right? So with its states like West Bengal and Odisha nearby, labor is easily available. The next one is transport. You know, Jamshedpur is well connected by a rail, road, and Kolkata port makes exporting products easy. And the last one is market. You know, there is high demand for steel products in the region, especially for machinery, tools, and automobiles. Okay, so over the years, Tisco has modernized and expanded, producing high quality pig iron, steel rods, bars, and seats which are used in various industries. Is that clear? Okay. Next, Let's look at Detroit. It is located in Michigan, USA. It is famously called the auto capital of the world. Why is Detroit such an important industrial hub? This is the question. So, if we talk about raw material, so iron is sourced from Mesabi Range near Lake Superior. Is that clear? The iron ore is sourced from Mesabi Range near Lake Superior. Coal comes from the Appalachian coal fields, and no doubt limestone is easily available from Lake Erie and Lake Huron regions. And if you talk about power supply, so hydroelectric power from Niagara Falls ensure uninterrupted energy. And of course, transport, let's talk about. So, the Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway provides excellent water transport, and dense road and rail networks make movement of raw materials and finished goods easy. And skilled labor, if we talk about, so local and regional labor is available, though it is expensive, no doubt. And if we talk about market, so Detroit serves as huge market for automobile, engineering tools, and defense equipments, no doubt, and both locally and through export to Europe and West Asia. So, however, Detroit faces some challenges like high production cost and stiff competition from Asian countries. Despite this, it continues to produce alloyed steel, tire, wires, glass, batteries, paints, polishes, and aircraft components. So, in conclusion, we can say that these examples show how industries are not just about manufacturing goods, they shape economies, create jobs, and connect the world. And by understanding their distribution and functioning, we can better appreciate the role of industries in our daily lives. So, that's all. Thank you very much.